share with you this cordless vacuum cleaner. Guys, this product has a very powerful suction of 45 kilopascals. The best is that this is a rechargeable type of product. It comes with its own charger, and guys, you can use it for 30 minutes continuously in the mid and max type of level. To use it, it's very simple. So first we're gonna turn it on by pressing this button right here, and then you will see a digital display here in the back. You have 3 different suction levels, minimum, mid, and max. And you can also see the percentage battery life that you have left. Now, this product comes with a dust cup of 1.6 liters in capacity. It's actually very large in capacity, and you will find additional accessories included in the package, such as this floor brush that it even comes with 6 LED lights right here. That is really nice. To use the floor brush, you can of course use it with this expandable type of rod, which is always super convenient when you want to, vacuum your floors, your carpets, or if you want to reach higher places in your home. In addition to that, you will find this crevices nozzle, which is great for cleaning, couches and your sofas, as well as this brush type of nozzle. You have an additional filter included in the package. It is really good quality. It can filter out up to 99.99%. And you have as well a brush to clean it up. Now, this product can also be wall mounted. It comes with this wall mount piece right here, super easy to install. And that way you can leave your vacuum hanging when you're not using it. So I really hope you will enjoy this product, guys, and I will see you next time. Bye.